Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Today topic is what is social media marketing? How to learn social media marketing. Social media marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves using social media platforms to promote products, services or content. It aims to connect with and engage target audiences to build brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, and increase sale. To learn social media marketing, you can follow these steps. Understand the basics. Start by gaining a foundation understanding of social media platform. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and their demographics, feature, and algorithms. Study marketing fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with core marketing principles like target, audience analysis, branding, content marketing, and analytics. Choose your platforms. Identify which social media platform are most relevant to your goals and target audience. Different platforms are suitable for different businesses and niches. Create quality content. Learn how to create engaging and shareable content, including text, images, videos, and graphics. Understand the importance of storytelling. Content planning. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts and maintain a consistent presence on social media. Use social media tools. Explore social media management tool like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts, monitor engagement and analyze performance. Paid advertising. Learn about paid social media advertising options such as Facebook ads or Instagram ads and how to create effective ad campaign. Monitor and analyze. Understand social media analytics to track your performance, measure key metrics, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay updated. Social media is constantly evolving, so stay up to date with industry trend, algorithm change, and new feature. Practice and experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. Experiment with different content types, posting times, and strategy to see what works best for your business. Online courses and resources. Consider taking online courses or accessing free resources available on platforms like Coursera, HubSpot, or Google Digital Garage. Networking. Join social media marketing communities, attend webinars, and connect with professionals in the field to learn from their experience. Remember that social media marketing is dynamic, so continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for success in this field. Thanks for watching.